Why can this bird mimic man-made sounds with such perfect detail? This is the lyrebird, or Menura novaehollandiae, an amazing bird from eastern Australia's forest. This bird can copy chainsaw, car alarm, and camera sounds. But why does it do that? It copies sounds to find a mate. A heart song means the male is strong. The secret is the syrinx, a special voice organ in birds. Lyrebird has over 90 tiny muscles to control its sound. It can use both sides of its voice, making harmony and echo. With amazing voice control, the lyrebird is like a live music tool from nature.